In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-hide tabs in Jira. If you work in Jira every day, you already know how crowded an issue view can become. Between custom fields, extra panels, and long issue details, it's easy for the layout to feel cluttered. The good news is that you don't need any advanced setup to make things cleaner. Jira includes built-in layout options that let you hide fields automatically when they're empty, which helps keep issue screens easier to read and faster to navigate. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site. Sign into your Atlassian account if needed and wait for your main Jira Home dashboard to load. Once you're on the home screen, go to the top navigation bar, click Projects, and then choose the project where you want to update the issue layout. Make sure you open the correct project because these settings apply at the project level. After the project opens, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll all the way down until you find project settings, then click it. This takes you into the area where you can manage how the project behaves and how its issue screens are organized. Once the project settings page loads, check the left side menu again and look for issue types or layouts depending on what your Jira view shows. Click that option, then select the issue type you want to edit, such as story or bug. This opens the issue layout editor for that specific issue type, which is where you can control how fields appear. In the layout editor, look at the main workspace in the center of the screen. You should see sections such as description fields, context fields, and hide when empty. This last section is the one that makes auto-hiding work. It tells Jira to only show certain fields when they actually contain information. Now click and hold any non-essential field that you don't always want visible. Drag it into the area labeled Hide when empty, then release it. Once it's placed there, Jira will automatically hide that field on issues where no value has been entered. This is especially useful for optional fields that only matter in certain cases because it keeps the issue view much cleaner without removing the field completely. Before you finish, take a quick moment to review the layout and make sure the right fields are in the right sections. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Save Changes. Jira will apply the new layout settings, and your issue view will now automatically stay more organized by hiding empty fields. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.